In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to filter rows in Tableau based on specific business requirements. Often, when working with data, you'll find that the requirements aren't as simple as just displaying a particular category. Instead, you might be asked to show categories that meet certain performance thresholds. For example, a business might want to see only those categories that are not just selling well, but also maintaining a healthy profit margin. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a Boolean filter in Tableau to accomplish just that. To get started, let's dive into creating a Boolean filter that meets your specific business criteria. Imagine you have a data set with sales and profit information, and your task is to display only those categories that are considered business healthy. In this context, business healthy might mean categories where the total sales exceed a certain target and where the profit ratio is greater than 15%. This kind of nuanced filtering helps in focusing on what's truly important for the business performance. The first step is to create a calculated field in Tableau. This calculated field will define the requirements by using a simple yet powerful calculation. For our example, let's say you want to filter your data based on profitability. You would write a calculation like this: sum sales at a target and profit ratio 0.15. What this does is combine the conditions that are essential for your analysis, ensuring that both the sales exceed a set target and the profit ratio is above 15%. This calculation essentially acts as your filter criteria. Once you've set up this calculation, it's time to apply it as a filter. You'll want to drag this newly created calculation to the filters shelf in Tableau. When you do this, Tableau will prompt you with a few options. Here, you should select the option labeled True. By choosing True, you're telling Tableau to only display the rows where the conditions of your Boolean filter are met. Essentially, this ensures your view is customized to display only those rows that qualify as business healthy according to your defined criteria. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully filtered your data in Tableau based on business requirements. This method not only simplifies your data analysis, but also enhances the accuracy of your insights by focusing only on the data points that matter most to your business goals. Remember, the ability to filter data effectively is a key skill in data analysis, and mastering it can lead to more informed business decisions. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to filter rows in Tableau effectively. Feel free to experiment with different criteria to suit your unique business needs. Thank you for watching and happy data filtering.